Hi guys, it's Toys Galaxy. Today we have Little Tikes Tumble Train. I am so excited to do and unbox this toy. We're gonna be doing a lot of playtime here, and we're gonna have Zia later play with us. But first, let's take a look at this box. As you can see, this part here, I don't know if you can see that, is like a hologram. You can see that track moving. That is awesome. And there's gonna be lights and sound, and the tracks, they roll everywhere and you can chase them. That's our train over there. And on the back, look at that. That's a picture of a little boy enjoying his time with the tumble train. Let's open the box. But before we do, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Toys Galaxy. Let's begin. I'm excited. Open, open, open. Oh, look at those train tracks. A lot of different colors. Oops. And now we have our different train tracks. We got all different colors and you can mix and match. Of course, we have the curved track, and we also have a straight track. So there's two different tracks, and also comes with all these little connectors so we can build our train track. And of course, we have our Little Tikes train. Look at that. On the back, you got your on button, off button. It has its volume too. And on the side, you have two modes. The first mode, number 1, is the forward mode. And number 2 will be your crazy mode, because it can go front and back and all over our train track. And this is where you press to make the train go. So, just wanted to remind you that this train, you need 4 AA batteries, and this is the battery compartment, and we already put our batteries there. And we're gonna start building our tracks. And for you to build your tracks, all you gotta do is put these tracks together and it snaps easily. Let's try. I've tried the other one. See? So that's all it is. It's gonna snap on the back, and we're gonna be building our track.
First, we have our open set. This is the tracks and the train. Now let's play with it. But to make it move, you have to press this.
Okay, let's play. I'm excited. See ya.
Whoa!
Oh, look at that. Oh, that is awesome. Oh my God.
Hold it.
Oh, wow. That is a crazy toy.
Look at me go!
Oh, crazy. That train is awesome.
Try to catch it. Got it. It goes upside down too. Whoa!
That is a crazy train.
So crazy.
Okay, I hope you guys like this train set. Please don't forget to
Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Toys Galaxy. Do it again. Yay! Hold it down. It can go upside down too. Oh, so crazy.
Ooh.